Hey there, welcome to part 4 of understanding your profit and loss income statement. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to dive into gross margin, which is a big line on your profit and loss income statement. Let's do this. Hey, badass business owner. All right, here we're going to dive into the next section of our gross margin line on our profit and loss. What is gross margin? It is sales minus your cost of goods sold, otherwise known as COGS. We learned that in the last video. It is your potential profits, basically profits before expenses. Here's the problem. A lot of you guys, what you do is you do the sale, you pay off for the cost for whoever helped you out to get the materials, and then you put the money in your pocket, and that is so wrong. All you're looking at that stage are your potential profits, your gross margin. You haven't paid your expenses yet. You haven't set money aside for what you need to do. And this is where a lot of people get themselves into trouble. So please do not confuse gross margin with the money that you get to keep. Let's take a look. Here's our profit and loss statement that we have been using. And you'll see this line right here. What makes up your gross profit? Remember, it's your income minus your cost of goods sold. And that's going to give you right here your gross profit. All right, so in this particular case, the 25 minus the 19 gave us $5,000 in potential profits. We call it gross margin, and you'll see here it's also 21% because we know that the 100% minus the 78% gave us 21%. Our gross profit in this particular business runs 21% or $5,000 for this particular month. And that is a big ouchie because that's all they have left to pay their expenses and themselves for an owner's draw, which we'll get to later on. But for right now, just know that right now their potential profit is just 21 cents out of every dollar. And that's important to know. You need to know that for your particular business as well. Now, this one's a nice, short, and sweet, but it's important to get the message across that just because that's what's left at the end of the day in your hand after you complete that sale, it doesn't mean you get to keep it, because what we're going to talk about next is where a lot of people lose their money and where they don't know where it's going. And that is your operational expenses, because these are the costs of running your business. So make sure you hang in there and you check out the next video. And don't forget, if you want to learn more about your business numbers, go to knowyourbusinessnumberscourse.com. Really inexpensive. It just helps you understand these business numbers better. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the thumbs up so other people know they want to watch this video. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on another video. Hit that bell so it gets into your email, and don't forget to listen to the Badass Business Owner podcast here on YouTube and or your favorite podcast app. Get out there, be the badass that you know you are, and let's move on to the next video.